I'm going to be honest with you. Last night I didn't get the best sleep, but what I'm about to show you in today's video could have helped me solve that issue. Just kidding. It was my birthday yesterday. We had a good time. But in today's video, what I want to show you is this brand Manta Sleep that's absolutely crushing it. We've talked about them before, but right now they just launched, maybe not just launched, but they've been advertising pretty heavily this new product, which is a white noise machine. So as usual in my videos, I like to dissect these brands, explore how they're doing millions of dollars a month, how we can replicate that success for our clients and for you. And that's what I'm about to do. So we're going to look at their ads. We're going to look at the market. We're going to look at the avatars they're targeting, the copywriting that they're using, the landing page look and feel and branding that they have on their Shopify store. And it's going to be great. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, we can see here through the traffic distribution of the store that this is just extremely steady. I mean, this is such a steady flow of traffic for a Shopify store, and I love to see that. It's actually quite rare, but they're driving about 568,000 monthly visitors, mainly from the United States. Now, interestingly enough, that's 59% of their traffic, which is, of course, the majority, the large majority, but still, they're targeting pretty much worldwide and getting, a lot of traffic from it, right? Almost 40% or 40% plus of their traffic is international, not from the US, which is something really interesting that I'm noticing and something I want to start exploring more and more through our own brands that we have. It's just targeting worldwide, right? If we have inventory in China, why not just target the whole world? It's just something I'm thinking about. I tend to just focus in the US. Now, one interesting thing about this specific trend and why I wanted to show it to you is that it's absolutely booming. I mean, portable white noise machines are literally all the rage right now. This is an extremely booming product, and I believe it will only get bigger. As I just mentioned, so many people struggle with sleep, and this thing can actually really help them get better sleep. It's like a distraction. Now, let's continue with Manta Sleep because I will show you how you can source products like this and a few other things as well. How I found the brand actually is through the Ad Explorer here inside Shopify. So this is a tool that I have. It's actually my platform. It's free to use. You can join it. I'll leave a link in the description. It's free to use. I'm not promoting it. A lot of these features are paid, but a lot of the features that are really helpful are also free, and you can join our Discord through it. But I found it by looking in the Ad Explorer here. I just looked up white noise machine because I saw this trend, and I found these guys have been starting to advertise this. So you can see right here, they're advertising this specifically for kids. So save the nap. The baby finally falls asleep. Then someone closes the door, the dog barks, a sibling yells from the other room, and you're back to square one. Manta white noise machine fills the nursery with consistent sound that masks the chaos happening everywhere else. 2 speakers, full room coverage, the sound barrier between nap time and everything else. You can't pause family life, but you can protect the nap. Jeez, that is such good copywriting. This is seriously brilliant copywriting. And I have this set up with some specific filters to show us ads that were launched at the beginning of April that are still running today. So what that tells us is that this ad specifically is doing super well for them. And look at how simple it is. It's 5 seconds. It just has a very clear headline, as I just mentioned. Silence the chaos, let them sleep. Manta white noise machine. Very simple, super good copywriting, very clean. And then it goes to this page. Now, another interesting thing about this for you dropshippers out there, you will not be able to relate to this, okay? But these guys are not doing any sort of sale promotion on this. It's straight up just, marketing to the product, and that's about it, which is pretty impressive. I respect these things so much because in the world of dropshipping, which, hey, I'm not going to play holier than thou here. I do this myself too with stores that I've ran and scaled. In fact, inside Shopify, I scaled a store from literal 0 to 100K a month in the course section. And yeah, I mean, most people run offers like 50% off offers, and these guys are not doing any of that. It's just plain, good copywriting, good old copywriting. So they're kind of educating people why you go remote. Most white noise machines sit on your nightstand, blasting sound straight at you. Manta white noise machine is different. Uniquely designed to be placed between you and whatever's keeping you awake. It fills the room with sound, no block disruptions before they ever reach you. So you can place a speaker a safe distance away and control everything from the comfort of your bed. Beautiful. That's actually brilliant innovation, not gonna lie. And I love these images that they have. These images are easy to replicate with AI these days, but I love when people show you actually like the different use cases, and just kind of like the features via really simple images. I think it just does a really good job and gets people pretty excited. Find your perfect sleep sound. So they got different settings, which is super cool. And you can see here some reviews. This one looks like AI. It probably isn't, but we'll never know, unless, we work with Manta Sleep, then I'll let you guys know. But basically, and then they got, a nice table here before, or us versus them. Very classic stuff. But in a world where, this is becoming more and more popular, this market is actually huge. It's expected to grow to 1.6 billion or 2.7 billion by 2032. That's a lot of billions. And because of that, there's a lot of people that know about this. There's a lot of people that are solution aware or product aware even. They know about this product, but they want to compare it to the generic versions and see why this is a better fit. Beautiful landing page, super simple. I think this is worth copying if you're starting in this niche. I think this is a really good store to try to emulate. You can do it with very simple blocks, section blocks on Shopify, and Shopify is literally free. You could start a free Shopify store, and then after that, it's only $1 a month for 3 months. It's such an incredible offer, and here's some products that you can source. So this is a platform that I like to use and that I recommend to our Shopee Lab members. It's called Team Drop. The reason I recommend it is because we use it. We're able to do custom branding through it. Once we get some results, we're able to order bags. That's one of the biggest hacks actually if you're drop shipping and starting your store is, not necessarily investing in custom inventory right away because that's super expensive, but investing in custom bags for your product. It literally costs like $10 for like 1,000 bags, and you can just start shipping all your products out in nice little bags. But the other thing I like about them is that they're literally free. It's a free platform as opposed to all the other platforms like AutoDS or ZenDrop. CJ's free as well, but it's a little less clean and less personalized in my opinion. But the other platforms are really expensive, and I feel like you don't really need to pay for that if there's free alternatives. Now, you can see there's many different options for this product. Some of my favorite ones are, products like this, some that are unique, some that actually have good features, right? I always like to sell products that are actually good, makes sense. It's always what I recommend as well. Don't sell, garbage. The only problem with some of these products that are really good is that they might be expensive, right? But I think it's worth it to pay a little bit more for products so long as they're going to be good. So something like this, actually, I know that this is a super viral product on TikTok and it's a little bit expensive, but it's probably really good. So, if it's really good, then it's going to be worthwhile to sell. And yeah, at $31, you'd have to sell this for like $90, I would say, to make it work. But you can see people are paying that amount of money for these small versions. So it's just something to keep in mind. Now let's move forward into their ads because this is the next step, right? And if we take a look at their results, they have over 110 ads active as we speak, and these are their highest impression ads. So this is the Meta Ads library. It's absolutely free to use as well. It's a feature by Meta that, the reason they have it is because they're legally required to show you all the ads that brands run. And so we have this sorted by high impressions and only the ads that are active. So these are the ads that have the highest impression. And what's interesting about them is that they're images, right? So these are literal image ads and they're pretty simple, actually. They're just beautiful. These guys have a really good copywriting and branding eye. Like they just really have those things dialed in, and it makes a huge difference. I like this one, built for night shift recovery. So this one is clearly targeted towards nurses and, health practitioners, which is such a brilliant niche of people to target. Think a nurse with a real rest. That's like so interesting, so brilliant. And these are kind of their top ads. So I always like to look at the top 4, right? Because those are clearly proven to have done well. So whatever, we can literally just copy and paste these into an image generator and then paste an image of our product, and just like that we can replicate a winning structure. But the key is always going to be the research as well and the copywriting. It's not just the format. In fact, the format has very little to do with it. I would say it's like 20%, right? But 80% of it is the copywriting. But if you did want to generate images like that in seconds, use DraftPy. DraftPy is basically a nano banana wrapper, you could say. But the cool thing about it is that we use it at our agency. I use it myself, and you can organize all of your generations into neat little folders, which is super cool. And of course, like easily change the dimensions, which you also can't do on Nano Banana. You can change the quality that you want, and you can change your batch size. So you can make a batch of 10 generations instead of just one at a time. So it saves you a ton of time, and you should just try it out. It's extremely cheap. You don't even have to log in on a subscription or anything. Next, let's take a look at a little bit further down some of their other ads, because another thing worth mentioning here is that all their top ads are actually for this sleep mask. So this is kind of the meta that I see on Shopify, is just continuously dropping new products. Of course, having a one product store is great, but why not test other products? If you can develop really good products, that can really easily build momentum for your brand. Especially because if you've already acquired a ton of customers, just simply dropping a new product is a good way to re-engage them and increase their lifetime value. Some of these things may be complicated for you to understand, but the more you watch my videos, the more you kind of understand these things, you'll start to really hone in your skills in e-com and just in general digital marketing, and it'll serve you well. So, I'm just trying to give as much value as humanly possible straight from the dome, for myself and for you. So follow or subscribe, depending where you're watching this, and you'll see more of my content. But they're dropping, wow, they're interesting. They're sending a lot of traffic to this collection page. This is also another big hack in ecom. It's just basically testing new landers, testing new offers and landing pages like this. I mean, this is a really brilliant one. It kind of has all the objections that you would want handled. And they're even promoting another product in here as well, which is their new addition, the white noise machine, which we're talking about is absolutely booming. Just such a booming trend. Really cool. And yeah, I mean, that kind of wraps it up. To be honest, one more thing I want to show you is who they're actually targeting. So I want to show you their customer avatar. So their primary avatar is dedicated sleep optimizers, but here's some other sub avatars that you could target, right? So tech savvy sound sleepers, natural relaxation enthusiast. I think this one is really massive actually for a white noise machine, because there's so many people actually that really care about natural alternatives to, for example, sleep supplements or sleep medication. And a white noise machine is a natural, alternative, especially for babies, right? So that's a really good one. I really like it. I just think it kind of ties in this sort of like organic, natural product, conscious consumer, and people who struggle with sleep. So I think that's a good market and good angle. But as you see, they're doing a lot of different stuff. I just love what these guys are doing. I think they're such a great example. So I wanted to share with you. And yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Let me know any questions. I always look at your comments when you guys suggest things to review, when you want me to look into different markets. I will be looking next into the transdermal patch market. I think somebody asked about that, and it's actually a really interesting one. And I'll leave all my resources in the description so you can check them out. A lot of them are free, a lot of good deals, and of course my social media pages if you want to contact me. But that's about it. Peace.